boneless chuck roast. This is close to about 3 pounds. We're gonna discard some of the fat and cut these up to about 1-inch cubes. We cut the beef up into cubes. Now we're gonna mix it up in a flour mixture with seasoning. Here is a 1/4 cup of flour. To that, we're gonna add a tablespoon of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. To our flour mixture, we're gonna coat our beef. So we're gonna add our beef in. And with clean hands, we're gonna mix this around good. That's good, and this will create a lot of great flavors. In a Dutch oven or a large heavy saucepan, add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And what we're gonna do is put these in batches and flip them till they're brown. We'll start adding our meat. Next we'll add about a cup of onion chopped up. We're gonna add a few cloves of garlic. We'll mix that in for a minute or two. And to smell the garlic, that means it's time to add tomato paste. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of tomato paste to the mixture. Mix that in well. That'll bring in some beautiful flavor. To that, we're going to add about a 1.5 tablespoons of flour. Mix that around good for a minute or two. Get all that flour taste out. It'll thicken up the sauce good. And what we're going to do now is deglaze the pan, get all that flavor out. I'm going to use a cup of red wine. You could substitute that with chicken stock or chicken broth. Okay, now we'll return the meat to the pot. Mix that in well. Put all that nice beef into the sauce. Okay, we're gonna add 4 cups of chicken broth. You can use beef broth or chicken stock or beef stock. And mix that in good. We're gonna add a few bay leaves. We're gonna add another teaspoon of thyme. Bring this up to a boil and turn down the heat and simmer this for about an hour. Put the lid off. And let this all thicken up real nice. This is starting to come to a boil, so we're gonna lower the heat and simmer this for 1 hour. It's been an hour. It reduced down nicely. So to this, we're gonna add 2 cups of carrots and 2 cups of diced celery. Mix that in good. Add in a little over 2 cups of potatoes. Then we'll stir this frequently. Cover this up, let that go for about an hour. It's been about an hour. Give this a mix. A couple frozen peas. Mix that well. Then we'll put the cover back on, let this simmer for another 5-6 minutes. Turn it off. Let it sit for another 5-10 minutes and it should be done. Okay, let's give it a shot. I love beef stew. Try this recipe, you won't regret it. Until next time, keep it moving, keep it flowing. And thanks for cooking with Big Batman. Until next time.